In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ordinary time earnings pay items in Xero. This process is crucial for managing payroll efficiently and ensuring accurate employee compensation. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you need to log into Xero accounting software. Head over to the Xero login page and key in your email and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Payroll tab. This is where we'll begin setting up your earnings pay items. Next, click on Payroll Settings. Here you'll find various payroll options, but our focus today is on Pay Items. When you click on Pay Items, look for the Earnings section and give it a click. This takes us to where we can add new earnings types. You'll want to click on Add, and from the list of earnings types, select Ordinary Time Earnings. Setting up the ordinary time earnings involves several fields that need to be specified. You'll be asked to enter a name for the earnings and a display name. Choose something descriptive yet straightforward so it's easily recognizable later. Following this, select the rate type. Here you can specify how the earnings are calculated, either by an hourly rate or a fixed amount. Don't forget to type in the type of units such as hours or days. Now, it's important to select an appropriate expense account. This will help in accurately tracking your payroll expenses in your financial statements. Choose the account that aligns with your payroll expense strategy. There's one last checkbox to consider, reportable as W1 on activity statement. Checking this box indicates that the ordinary earnings need to be included in your taxable income report. Once everything is correctly filled and configured, click Add to finalize the creation of this earnings item. With your ordinary time earnings set up, let's apply it to an employee. Go back to the payroll section and this time click on Employees. Choose an employee from the list and click on their profile. Once there, navigate to their pay template. You'll find an option named Plus Add Earnings line, which is crucial for associating the newly created earnings type with this employee. Assign the ordinary time earnings you just set up and press OK. Afterward, you'll need to specify the number of hours and the rates applicable for this employee. Ensure these details align correctly with the employee's contract or employment terms. Finally, to save these changes, click on Save. And that's it, you've successfully set up ordinary time earnings pay items in Xero and associated them with an employee. This feature ensures that your payroll processes are accurate and efficient, helping you maintain financial transparency and employee satisfaction. Keep practicing these steps and soon it will become a seamless part of your payroll routine.